If you have a flat tire and you're stranded out in the middle of nowhere, well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change a flat tire. My name is Rick Burrows, you're watching Fix It Rick, so let's fix it. First thing you need to do is make sure that your car is in a safe place to change it. Moving it off to the side of the road or finding a parking lot to safely do this. Looking in your trunk or underneath your car, you're going to find a spare tire. You're going to find a jack to raise the car off the ground, and you're going to find another tool to remove the nuts that are holding the tire to your car. Once your car is safely off to the side of the road, you're going to need your 19mm socket. You want to loosen it with a quarter of a turn, because once your car is lifted off the ground, it will be much easier to remove them. Now if they become really stubborn and they're really difficult, what you can do is put your foot on it and give it a good push. Next, you need to locate the frame of your vehicle so you can put your jack directly underneath it. Using this tool, we're going to insert it here, and then you're going to twist and hold the jack until it makes contact with your car. Go nice and slow. You can bend this part right here, and then it will help you to twist and safely raise up the car. Next, make sure that your jack is perfectly straight and not on an angle, so as the car is moving a little bit, it's not going to fall over and cause any kind of damage to the car, or worse, you don't want anything to happen to you. If your wheel can rotate, that means the jack is now supporting the car, but we can safely remove this tire. Next, keep your feet away from the vehicle and then remove each nut. Turn them counterclockwise. Next, grab a hold of your tire and then pull it right off. Let's move our spare tire in place. And you see how my body is away from the car? You want your body to be away from the car in case anything happens to the jack and then the car comes down. It's not going to be on your feet or your hands or anything else. Grabbing the side of the tire, you want to go ahead and lift it up, slide it on. Holding the tire with one hand, use your other hand and put the nuts back on. Now that the nuts are hand tight on the tire, we can use our 19mm and lower the car back to the ground. Again, take your time and do this slowly. Go ahead and remove the jack. Now for the final step, take your 19mm wrench, turning them clockwise until they're nice and firm. After you tighten one, you want to make the shape of a star so that you're tightening them evenly against the car. Alright, great job. You just learned how to safely change a flat tire. Do me a favor and smash that like button, subscribe to Fix It Rick, hit the bell notification, and leave a comment below if this was your first time ever changing a tire. Thank you so much for watching Fix It Rick. Always remember that Jesus Christ loves you and that He deeply cares about you, and only He can solve your biggest problem.